Hi friends, today's topic we discussing about which one? Equal sets. Okay, what is equal? Equal means what? Equal means same to same. No. Okay, equal set means what? The sets having same elements. Okay, if you take set A and set B, both set having same elements. That means A having same elements that in B and B having same elements that in A. Okay, here definition is given, just listen. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if every element of A is in B and every element of B is in A. That means what? The two sets having exactly same elements. Okay, two, that is main one, but A and B having, that means if you take A and B are two sets, the both sets having same elements. Okay, let us discuss some simple examples now. Okay, first example is what? Set A is 1, 2, 3 is given and set B is 3, 1, 2. We have to check these sets are equal or not. Okay, how to check this one? Equal, what means equal sets? Equal set means what? We have to check what? Set having A having that one element is there, that is in B is also there. Okay, that means both having same elements. Okay, so here set having A having 1 is there, here B also having 1. Set A having 2 is there, here also 2 is there, here 3 is there, 3 is there. That means what? Inside the both sets all elements are same, so these two sets are equal. That means A is equal to B. Okay. Next question is what? Here set C is given as X such that X is a letter of the word loyal and D is given as X is the letter of word alloy. Okay, that means here two words are given. Here X is what? Letters of that words. Okay, so here both the sets are given in set builder form. But in this type of question, you have to convert this form into roster form first. Okay, so set C, how to write set C in roster form? What is set here? Set C, X is the letter of the word loyal. In the loyal, how many words are there? L is there, no? Set loyal. L is there. Okay, then O is there, then Y is there. Okay, then A is there. Here L again is repeating here. So I already told previous examples, if you write in roster form, only one time you have to write L. Repeating numbers, repeating letters we cannot write. Okay, here L is again repeating, so no need to write L again. Only one time you have to write L. So this is set C in roster form. And next you have to write the set D in roster form. How to write? Here what? X letter of the word alloy. In alloy, how many letters are there? Just write A is there, then L is there, again L is there, so no need to write in again L here, already written, here L is written. Next O is there, next what? Y is there. This is the set D for in roster form. Okay, so this is the roster form for set C and set D. You have to check this set C is equal to set D. That means these are equal sets or not. Okay, for that you have to check here. C having what? L is there. Okay, D also having what? L. Then O is the C having. So here also O. Here Y is there. Here Y is there. Yes, here also Y is there. Here A is there. A is there. So all elements over. No. So here every elements in C, that is in D also. Okay, both having same elements, so these are equal sets. That means we can write, therefore we can write C, set C is equal to set D. These are equal sets. Okay, let's discuss third question, that is similar question to second question. Okay, question is what? If A is equal to, set A is equal to X such that X is a letter of the word follow, F O L L O W, and B is equal to Y such that Y is a letter of the word wolf, WOLF. We have to check what is A is equal to B. This is a question. Is A is equal to B? So this type of question come in public examination. Okay. So you have to listen this carefully. What is follow this first set A? We have to write first one roster form of these two sets. Okay. So set A. How to write set A in roster form? We have to write list the elements in it. F O double L O W. We have to what letters? We have to list the letters in the word follow. Follow. How to write this one? F is the O is the here double L is the. Now we have to write only one L. Then again O is repeating here. Already here O is written. No need to write O here again. Then again W. W is the one. So this is the roster form for set A. Next you have to write roster form for set B. What is the word wolf? We'll have what? W is the then O is the L is the F is the. No word is repeating here. So just write wolf here. Okay, WOLF is the words here. Now we have to check what question is what is A is equal to B. We have to check A is equal to B. Here A is equal to what? FOLW. We have to check these all elements are in set B. Okay. So here in set A F is the. Set B also F is the. Okay. One word is all. Next word. Next letter. Okay. One letter is all. Next letter is what? O is the. Here also is. So the second letter is O. Next is what? L is. Here L is. Here also L is. So third letter is also. Next last letter is what? Here W. W also here is. So here 4 elements are equal to these 4 elements. Okay, that means both having same elements. So you can say A is equal to B. Set A is equal to set B. That means both sets are equal sets. Okay. Okay. Next question is what? Fourth question. State whether A is equal to B or not. That means here A and B are given. You have to write it is equal or not. Okay, you have to check these two sets are equal or not. Set A is given as here what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And set B is given as what? X such that X is a positive even integer and your condition is given as what? X less than or equal to 10. What are integers? You know that positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. You have to write positive even integers. Okay. What are even integers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. Okay. Here set A already written in roster form. You have no need to convert into again that one. Okay. Set B is in set builder form. We have to convert that one into first roster form. So we know that what are the positive even integers? 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Set A already here write like this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then set B. We have to convert that one into roster form. Here positive even integers. Positive even integers is what? 2, 4, 6, 8. Here condition is given what? X less than or equal to 10. Up to 10 you have to write the even integers. Okay. So up to 10. But write the even integers. Just look at this one A and B. Both are same. Don't need to check because what? Here 2 is the, here 2 is the. Here 4 is, here 4 is the. Here 6, here 6 is the. Here also 8 is the. Here also 10 is. So all the elements in A that is equal to B. In B also is the. Okay. So both sides are equal. A is equal to B. Okay. So this is enough for today. So I hope you understood this session. In later we will discuss about subsets and other topics, Venn diagrams like this. So thank you all for watching. ഇന്നത്തെ സെഷനിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ട്സ് ലഭിക്കുന്നതിനായിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ ലിങ്ക് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആ ലിങ്ക് ഒന്ന് ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ മതി, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ട്സ് ലഭിക്കും. പിന്നെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട്സ് ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിനെ കുറിച്ച് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ അതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഡൗട്ട്സോ സജഷൻസോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എഴുതാവുന്നതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു ആൾ.